Nuts. Many nuts, especially almonds, are a great source of vitamin E, which may help repair skin tissue, retain skin moisture, and protect skin from damaging UV rays. Walnuts even contain trusted source anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that may help strengthen skin cell membranes, protect against sun damage, give skin a beautiful glow by preserving its natural oil barrier. To try, sprinkle a mix of nuts on top of your salads, or eat a handful as a snack. Don't remove the skin, either, as studies show that 50% or more trusted source of the antioxidants are lost without the skin. Eating nuts is linked to reduced risk for heart disease, walnuts, and type 2 diabetes, pistachios, potential prevention of cognitive decline in older adults, almonds,